And we are live. Hello, everybody. Happy Tuesday to all of you who are watching me right now or will be watching me later. Again, this is Hustle Hour with Marianne, me, Marianne, right? And in the cold Ontario, Canada. And for those people na bago po sa aking page, I am Mary Ann. I'm a wife. I'm a mom of two, a sales administrator, and an online business owner and mentor. And for the past few weeks, actually, parang from January yata ako nag-start, I've been interviewing people from our online community, online business community, para po makapag-share ng kanilang mga journey or insights on their struggle or wins, challenges sa pagiging online business owner and pagja-juggle po ng lahat-lahat ng kanilang ginagawa sa kanilang buhay. And I'm so thankful that for tonight, I have with me one of my sisters in the business. I've known this girl from last year. We've been together for like 8 months. And I must say, I am so privileged to have met her. And I can't wait to actually, personally, meet her in the future. Marami pong naitulang sa akin tong babaeng to. Me personally, I am so resonated to her journey na ikukwento niya sa atin ngayong gabing to. So everybody excited? So you know what, without further ado, let me invite in the stage Sis Maria. Hello!
Hello, sis. Thank you so much. It's my privilege as well to be in your show today, Hustle Hour with Mary Ann. Wow, thank you so much, sis. By the way, I would like to introduce myself to the viewers. Good morning, Philippines, mabuhay, and good afternoon here in the U.S. and also in Canada. By the way, I'm Maria Rosbach. I'm a wife. I'm a farm mom. I'm originally from Negros Island, Philippines, but I grew up in Quezon City, Philippines. So I work here in America as a full-time inventory controller in one of the third largest home improvement store in Wisconsin. So I'm originally from Wisconsin, and I've been living here for about 11 years now. And of course, I'm a proud digital business owner. Thank you so much, sis. Back to you.
Oh, yes, I'm so privileged. You know what? I've just known Maria since half year last year, and I must say, she has been juggling a lot of hats, and to think early in the day she's already awakened, and like late at night tulog na kaming lahat, patulog pa lang siya, right? And I'm so privileged, you know what? She's our cheerleader in our group, in our community. She's a very big cheerleader of ours. And also with every trainings that we have in our community, she will always grab the opportunity to grasp it, put it into action, and not to mention, to, of course, train others as well. So, ituturo rin niya yung mga gifts na nakukuha niya sa business community niya, namin, tinuturo rin niya sa iba. So, I'm so privileged for you saying yes to my interview tonight, Sis Maria. I know we've been struggling with the schedules kasi medyo, alam niyo na, maraming schedules si Sis Maria. But I am so thankful na nag-swak din ang schedule natin. You know what? Let's just start off, no? Medyo nagpakilala ka na ng konti. Pero how about we start with the journey that you had? Paano ba nag-start to na nakita mo at nagkaroon ka ng idea at medyo na-entice ka or na-intrigue ka na parang gusto kong mag-start ng online business?
Oh, okay. Yeah, thank you so much. Wow, that's a beautiful question. So, i-share ko lang yung journey ko, no? So, why did I start my online business? So, first, I started my online business because, of course, diba, we are family-oriented because I'm a Filipina. So, I'm originally from the Philippines. And, of course, we are supporting our family back home. So, I started this really because of my nephews. I have 18 nephews back home. And my siblings. Of course, the life in the Philippines is not, hindi naman lahat mayaman, diba? So lahat talaga naghihirap. And of course, they were the really big reason why I am on this business. So they were my very biggest motivation. I wanted to create a better future for them, of course, and not just for my family, but of course for myself. So after years of working, I worked 8 years working full time, struggling two jobs, and multiple jobs here in the US. I work as a caregiver. I work as a restaurant server. Naging trainer din ako. And now, I'm a full-time inventory controller. So, yun talaga, and one of the biggest challenge is I work from Monday to Friday, 15 to 16-hour days, na wala na talaga akong time for myself, especially taking care of my husband and a farm mom. And of course, we have a sick family in the family, na inaalagaan ko. Pag kailangan ako, nandyan talaga ako. So they really need me. So 15 to 16-hour days of working, every single day, na minsan isa lang yung day off ko, sobrang hirap. So I'm really struggling. So I'm doing that because so I can be able to send money back home to my family, to my nieces. So they can go to school, they have clothes to wear, mga school supplies nila, tuition fees, of course. As a breadwinner, hindi talaga mahirap. So lahat tayo na pumunta dito sa ibang bansa, talagang naghahanap tayo ng paraan na kahit anong trabaho yan, pinapasok talaga natin, di ba? So working in a gas station is really hard for me. Kasi talagang nawalan talaga ako ng time sa hobbies ko. So yun na. So then, I was really praying to God na natulungan ako na magkaroon naman ako ng yun, side hustle. Ano pang makapagpagaan sa sa trabaho ko na para hindi na multiple jobs ang trabaho ko, no? Hindi na 2 to 3 jobs in a week. So ngayon, one night while I was scrolling on my Facebook page, nakita ko yung ad sa Facebook. Doon ko siya nakita. And of course, talaga ako. I was really excited and resonated with her story sa mentor ko ngayon. So, ayun, pinanood ko talaga from the beginning to the end yung ad niya. Kasi talagang siya, of course, she was also struggling. Nakaka-resonate ako because she was like me. She was also struggling multiple jobs. And then after a few months of doing this business, nag-quit na siya ng kanyang full-time job. So ngayon, and then she's showing yung mga yung mga successes niya. Nakabili na siyang bahay, nakabili na siya sasakyan. Tapos she's always traveling with her husband. Tapos nakatulong na rin siya sa mga community sa Pilipinas and sending money back home as well. So I said to myself, oh, maybe I can quit my part-time job as well and no more multiple jobs and only one job. So ayun. So talagang na-excite ako. So I pressed the button, the learn more button, kasi na-curious ako kung ano ginagawa niya. So I was really curious that night. And I didn't wait for tomorrow. So I really clicked that ad and I learned more. And then I messaged her. I asked a lot of questions and how she started the business. And then, she directed me to that, you have to pay 149. So she directed me there. So then when you get into that, part, you will really feel very, very excited, diba? Because you're gonna learn more on how this business works, on how you make money online. So talaga na-excite ako. So I think so that night, I said, maybe this is the answer to my prayer, diba? Kasi nag-pray talaga ako na para hindi na ako makapa-work ng 52-hour jobs, every day. So yon. So that's how it started. So now I'm a proud digital business owner, and after doing this online business, after a few months of doing this business, I was able to quit my part-time jobs. So now I'm only down to one job. So I'm really very, very happy that I have more time with my family. I can take care more of my sick family. Now I have more time taking care of my husband. I can cook meals for him. And now I'm so happy that I can do all my hobbies like baking, gardening, and taking care of my pets, diba? So I was really happy that this business really helped me to find that time freedom for myself. And of course, to take care of my self-care. Important kasi it's very important to have self-care. So now I can go to the salon and take massage and take care of myself. Now I have more time for that. because I don't have to clean the bathrooms anymore. I don't have to serve in the restaurants anymore. So now I'm down to my one full-time job. So I'm very, very grateful for this online business. So that's how I started. I found it on Facebook. And
Nakakatuwa yung ano 'no, yung mga odd jobs na kasi I for one have been on those jobs as well when we came here, and not to mention I came here with my family, but I was old enough to have that na I should have my own job as well. So sabi ko okay, may mga jobs ako na naglilinis ako ng stadium, and then I didn't know that I can do that. But you know what? Syempre, in the name of dollars.
yes,
Right? So parang hindi, kailangan to kasi bills keep on coming. Hindi yan nagpo-pause eh. Right?
Mhm.
Right? Pero on your case, parang it was like so happy na you have 3 jobs. You didn't have the type of rest that you needed as a human being actually, right? And you
it's not
for
normal.
something, and this was given to you. So parang sabi mo, ito na yun. Ito yung pinagdadasal ko. Kasi you know what? If you are praying on something, like, another job or whatever, hindi naman yun eh. Ang pinagpe-pray mo, yung sa swak, sa schedule mo, sa needs
Yes.
mo, na medyo luluwag-luwag naman ng konti. And this was the answer. Kasi nga, online business siya. Ay, ang galing-galing naman ng story.
Yes.
Yes, at pahampyaw ko lang yan dahil ang story ni Miss Maria is very much inspirational, ika nga. So, but you know what? We keep on saying that our business is not a get-quick-rich scheme, right? Lahat paghihirapan. It's like a traditional business na kailangan paghirapan mo, kailangan mag-training ka, kailangan palagi kang plug in kasi nasa social media. And social media is ever evolving. So on your case, what were the challenges for you when you started, or like currently, when you're balancing work, family, and your business?
Wow, that's a good question as well. So, balancing everything was not easy at first, no? And it's natural. At first, you will struggle, but of course, I was still working my full-time job. So, managing my responsibilities as a wife and as a farm mom, and of course, taking care of my sick family is not easy while trying to grow my business at the same time. So yun talaga yung pinaka-biggest challenge for me was the time management. Kasi kahit kanino naman, 'di ba? Time management talaga ang very challenging sa atin as an online entrepreneur. So it's very important na talaga maging discipline tayo. And kailangan natin talaga i-prioritize kung ano talaga ang truly mattered sa atin, 'di ba? So I'm grateful also sa ating online business kasi sa online business natin meron na tayong tinatawag na business suite na ginagawa, 'di ba? Kasi because of the automation talaga, it really helps me to balance my work, my family, and my business. Because of course, at night you really have to work on your business after. So in the morning, in the mornings as an entrepreneur, because I have a full-time job, so I really wake up early in the morning. I do my meditation because that's part of myself, taking care of myself, and my motivation reading a book or a Bible. I do that in the morning. And then, of course, self-care is very important. So, yun yung ginagawa ko. Then I go to my full-time job. And then when I get home, of course, taking care of my husband because I don't have the side hustle anymore. And this is now my side hustle that I can, be able to do 2 to 3 hours of my time at night, of course. So yun na. So there were days na talagang I felt exhausted, but I kept reminding myself, why I started this business. Of course, it's because of my family back home. So talagang ginagamit ko yung mga apps and tools natin sa business na to, 'di ba? Na business suite, pwede mo siyang gawin na sa gabi. You can put everything there and schedule everything. And it's very easy for you. Kaya now I have more time, with my full-time job na hindi ako na nag-struggle. So it really helped me because our online business is the best because we have apps and tools that we can use. And yeah, that's the one thing that I have also a Google Calendar where I can write down everything, all my tasks. And that really helped me as well. So, ayun na, I always create a schedule. It's very important to create a schedule para hindi kayo mahirapan sa inyong pag-balance ng inyong work, family, and business. And of course, i-focus mo yung sarili mo sa task na very important na kailangan talaga yung pinaka-priority mo. Ano ba ang pinaka-priority mo? You have to ask yourself that. So, I'm grateful for this business because we have 90% is already done for us, and it works in automation na even while you're sleeping, you're traveling, talagang yung business na to is nag-work out for you. So you can have more time with your family, lalo na pag marami kayong kids. As a mom, di ba, syempre, you're working, doing the household chores while taking care of your kids. But this business, you can schedule it. It's based on automation. And that's why I love this business because, it runs on automation. So you can spend more time with your family. Even when you travel, you can take this business with you. You just have to spend 2 to 3 hours of your time on this business. Magagawa niyo po siya. Hindi po kayo mahihirapan. And of course, importante ngayon, create a calendar. Schedule mo yung mga yung mga schedule mo para sa Google Calendar para naman mas efficient yung mga araw. So yun yung mga ginagawa ko. So talagang I really enjoy this balancing. That's how I balance my work, family, and business. That's why I have more time for my self-care as well because of the automation in this business, and it's amazing. Yeah, that's what I love.
So parang parang as everyday lives actually, if you're balancing a lot of hats, yun talaga yung pinaka the best sa lahat yung pagsischedule. And you know what? Sa mga nanonood po sa amin at manunood pa mamaya, kahit po yun ay itinuturo sa aming mga training. Unang-una sa lahat, mindset. Tinuturo rin po yan sa aming training, yung proper mindset na kailangan positive tayo, and then dapat hindi tayo magpapadala sa mga konting mga failures na haharapin natin sa buhay natin. And gaya po ng sinabi ni Sis Maria, pati po yung scheduling tinuturo rin yan sa amin. Ano po ba yung paulit-ulit niyang sinasabi na it's in the back end. It's running the automation. Yun. Kasi kami po ay merong system built for everyday people. Sino po ba yung mga everyday people? Ito po yung maraming ginajuggle, multiple jobs, mga magulang, mga empleyado, 'di ba? Ito po yung kakapiranggot lang ang oras na meron sila. So, at the moment, this online business may not be their plan A, it may be just their plan B. So, paano po yun magsaswak? Syempre, kailangan yung scheduling. At meron po yan sa aming business. Perfectly said, Sis Maria.
Diba?
So, pag sa atin, syempre, hindi mawawala yung skepticism right? Hindi yun mawawala. So, doon sa mga manunood at makakapanood pa neto, what advice would you give to those who are still skeptical, kahit nanonood na in starting their own online business?
Oo nga, no? So, mga viewers talaga, they're really watching. Hindi lang natin alam, pero they are watching. And of course, interested din yan. So, natural lang na maging skeptical in the beginning, no? I understand the skepticism. So, I was once in your shoes as well. So, in the beginning, I was skeptical as well. But here's what I learned, Nothing changes if nothing changes. If you're tired of your current situation, you have to take a step forwards to something new, diba? Kasi yun yung ginawa natin We get out of our comfort zone. So, all you have to do is do that. Get out of your comfort zone. Because in our business, you don't need... kasi yung iba natatakot na she's always have a live interview. Kailangan English speaking, di ba? Yes. No, you don't need a degree in this business. You don't need to be like English speaking na talagang ganun, di ba? So like us, we speak in our language, in Tagalog, di ba? It's a mix of English. So you really don't need to be like English speaking, di ba, sa business na to. Kasi meron talagang nagsasabi sa akin. And then of course, they're scared that if we are selling. So in this business, we are not selling anything. And you don't need a business background. You don't need a marketing background. As long as you are 18 years old and above, magagawa mo yung business na to. So huwag ka matatakot because we have mentors and coaches that will guide you from the beginning of your business up to the end. And we have a step-by-step training, video-based shop, plug and play, where you can follow, di ba? Sundan mo lang siya and then you can do it. But, of course, the mentors and coaches will guide you. Kapag nahihirapan ka, hindi ka nag-iisa. You will never felt alone in this business because I never felt alone in this business.
No.
We have a big community, di ba? We are growing every week. Nasa 236 na yata tayo. Palaki na ng palaki ang online business owner sa online business ito, and a lot of successful entrepreneurs as well here. So, kami, we have, di ba, nagtutulungan kami. Ano? Mga positive-minded entrepreneurs kami. People like-minded entrepreneurs. So, napapalibutan kami ng mga community na tumutulong. Kapag may questions ka, hindi ka matatakot na nag-iisa ako sa business na to. And then, pag wala kang degree, you don't need a degree to start this business. Kahit kami ni Sis Mary Ann, wala naman kami talagang business background. We don't have a marketing background. But if we can do it, you can do it too, di ba? Makagawa rin nila because we have tools and apps and tools that, you know, na magagamit mo to leverage your business in order to grow. Tapos, lahat na. Because in traditional, they have to pay for trainings. We have a global mastermind trainings that you can learn in order to grow your business. Lahat ng strategies, they will teach you all the strategies. Lahat ng mga leaders in this business, they will teach you everything on how to be successful in this business. So the investment you can make is in yourself. Kung hindi mo umpisan, wala talagang mangyayari. Diba? Kasi tayo, we started this business na ganun din naman, skeptical din naman, but we get out of our comfort zone. Now we are a proud digital business owner. Diba? So, first, kapag talagang skeptical kayo, don't worry, do your research. Yun ang talagang first advice ko, do your research. Mag-research kayo talaga, wala nang problema yun. Because the thing is, I can say that we are a legitimate business because we are paying taxes end of the year. Diba? Yes. Nakakuha tayo ng 1099. Ewan ko ano sa Canada, but here it's 1099 that you can get. And yeah, do your research. Because here you can find the right mentorship and coaches that will guide you. And of course, take action. Oh, marami din naman benefits sa mga skepticism, diba? So now you can build your confidence. Because at first, I'm really shy. Here, you're gonna learn more. Talagang mabibuild up yung confidence mo. Lalo na in talking to camera and then collaborating with your business partners, talagang mababago. And then if you're negative, you will become positive. Just like that. Diba? Kasi, diba, kung wala namang mangyayari sa inyo, kung hindi talaga kayo, you never know what's possible until you try. Kasi marami nang nag-try nitong business and they become successful. So, wag kayong matatakot because we don't do selling. We don't do recruiting. No shipping. No bagging of friends and family. And of course, you can leverage your business every day. You just have to do attraction marketing here. We don't do selling. And we are partnered with a company that's been in the business for 50 years. So, tingnan nyo naman, di ba? So, talagang siya, very high-ticket business. And to start this business, you just need a one-time fee and it's a low-cost startup business. So, yun yung masasabi ko sis kasi marami talagang benefits. And if you have kids, you can pass it on to your children, the legacy, the generational wealth that they call it, that you can pass it on up to 6th generation. So, yun yung maganda doon kasi mapapasa mo siya sa pamilya mo pag may nangyari sa'yo. Diba? So, yun yung advice ko sa mga viewers. They have to take action. And we just started with that live webinar that happens every Tuesday and Thursday, and that's happening tonight. Watch it, 7 p.m. Central Time. Back to you, sis. Thank you so much.
Yes, oh my gosh, lahat na po natakil na ni Sis Maria. So kung kayo ay nagdadalawang isip pa, hindi ko na po talaga alam. Pero I mean, yung skepticism, like what she has said, skepticism is normal. Why? Kasi bakit ba tayo skeptics? Ba't ba tayo may doubt? Kasi syempre, ayaw namin mawawaste ang time nyo, ayaw namin mawawaste ang effort nyo. So, might as well do your own due diligence, research like what Sis Maria has said, and check it out yourself. Is this something that you can do? Is this something that can work on your schedule for your biggest whys, your family, or your time freedom, if I must say, or like, financial freedom in the long run, right? Why not, right? So,
Yes.
nasa sa inyo na lang po yun. Para lang po ma-check nyo, is why not check the webinar that Sis Maria had just said, which is happening tonight and also Thursday, that's Tuesday and Thursday. And our time naman, EST, that's 8 p.m. EST. And for you to be able to do that is to log in through our websites and register your name and your email address. And if you're still questioning about something, reach out to any of us, right? And we will journey with you from day one until the end. So, Sis Maria, as a closing, right? Why not invite them and also give them your website as well?
All right, to all our viewers who are skeptical and really wanted to get out of their comfort zone, wag na kayong mag-iisip-isip pa. Lalo na pag kayo ay nanay na sa bahay lang, na gusto niyo talagang tumulong sa husband nyo, sa mga bills, 'di ba? Sa household, mga sa bahay, mga gastusin sa bahay. So, ayun, mag-umpisa lang kayo, visit our website. Yun yung mapapanood nyo yung live webinar that happens Tuesday and Thursday. That's 7 p.m. Central Time, and that's 5 p.m. Pacific Time, and of course that's EST 8 p.m. You can watch that, diba? So at www.mariarosbachglobalbusiness.com, i-ano nyo lang po yan, sa Google, i-type nyo lang www.mariarosbachglobalbusiness.com or yung kay Sis Mary Ann, and then you will get to our website. Mapapanood nyo na yung webinar doon on how the basic of starting on how to start your own online business. Kasi doon po kami nag-umpisa. Nag-watch lang din kami ng webinar in the beginning. And then after that, doon na po nagtuloy-tuloy na kasi once you watch that live webinar, maka-curious kayo more and you want to learn more how to make money online na makatulong kayo sa inyong husband, na magkaroon kayo ng time freedom, magkaroon kayo ng financial freedom, and to be able to travel the world without worrying your bills or anything, diba? And of course, you can buy whatever you want and you can help your family and the community. Kung yun talaga yung pinaka-goal nyo, grab the opportunity kasi we are sharing to you the big opportunity. Nandito na kami. So we are real people. We are talking to you live. We are real. Thank you. Back to you, sis. Thank you.
So yan, kayo na lang po talaga ang iniintay namin. Check it out, do your due diligence, register your name and your email address through our website. If you have any more inquiries, just reach out to any of us, like message us, or you know what, just say hi. If you're still skeptic and you think this is not for you at this moment, just say hi, right? Yes. Follow us, or you know what? If you think this is not for you, but you think there is somebody na kilala nyo na mag-workout sa kanila to, share, yes. Right? Share these videos to them.
Yes.
So, you know what? They might be the business partners we've been waiting for, or the potential of the business is actually for them. Wala pong mawawala. The webinar is free. And also, not to mention, if you're not able to watch the live today or Thursday, we can always give you the link for the replays. And actually, you know what? Personally, I would rather do the replay kasi pwede nyong i-pause, i-rewind again, and if you have any questions, right, reach out to any of us. So again, thank you, Sis Maria. It was a great chat, and thank you again for saying yes. Again, this is not gonna be the last because we'll see each other every single time.
Yes.
Thank you again for sharing your story for the viewers out there who's gonna be watching this. So again, thank you again, and we'll see each other. For those people who's watching, we'll see each other again for another Hustle Hour with Mary Ann. Good night.
Good night, everyone. Take action.